In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your IKEA order. Whether you've just placed an order or you're eagerly waiting for your new furniture or home essentials, knowing how to track your purchase is essential. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's head over to the IKEA website. Simply open your preferred web browser, type in ikea.com, and press enter. Once the page has loaded, you'll be greeted with IKEA's familiar home page. Your next goal is to navigate to the section of the site that's dedicated to customer services, which is where you'll find the tracking option. Look for a link or a tab labeled Our Services. This is often found at the top of the page or within a menu. Clicking this will take you to a list of various services IKEA offers to improve your shopping experience. One of these services is order tracking, which is what you're interested in today. Now locate and click on Track Your Order. This link will direct you to a new page where you can choose between tracking either a truck delivery or a parcel delivery. Since IKEA orders can vary greatly in size, anything from a single kitchen utensil to an entire bedroom set, the type of delivery you're expecting will determine which option you select. If your order is large and being delivered by truck, click on the Track My Truck Delivery option. But if it's smaller and coming as a parcel, select Track My Parcel Delivery. This distinction ensures that you receive accurate and relevant tracking information. Once you've arrived at the tracking page, you'll need your tracking number. This number is usually provided to you once your order is dispatched. You'll often find it in an email confirmation or in the order history section of your IKEA account. Enter this tracking number into the appropriate field. After inputting your tracking number, click the Submit button or press Enter. The system will then process your request and display the current status of your order. You'll see detailed information about where your order is, its estimated arrival time, and possibly some updates about each stage of the delivery process. This tracking feature is incredibly helpful for planning, especially when you're trying to coordinate furniture assembly or other logistics on delivery day. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to track your IKEA order efficiently. With these easy steps, you can stay updated on your order's progress and plan accordingly. Happy shopping, and may your IKEA finds bring new joy and inspiration to your home.